Get the best training program to start a digital marketing online business. If you're looking for the most effective way to achieve financial independence, this new online training program is the solution for you. Deserved Lifestyle announced the launch of a new training program for those looking to start their own online, home-based business. This new program teaches you how to use a proven business system to generate income with only a computer. With the comprehensive training program at Deserved Lifestyle, you can gain the knowledge and skills you need to achieve business excellence. The program includes 3 online on-demand workshops covering the skills you need to create a profitable online business from scratch. Throughout the program, you will develop a set of strong digital skills that can secure your future. Go to the link in description for more info.